Get Tail Draw. Create your story today. Join the Tail Draw community. Like and subscribe for more. The Music Magic Adventure. Once upon a time in the small village of Harmonia, there lived a bright boy named Jake who was particularly fond of music. Jake was a talented lad. His fingers danced beautifully on any instrument he touched, and his voice, akin to the sweetest melody. Jake's love for music made him popular in the village. His best friend, Sophie, shared the same passion. Together, they would put up performances and entertain their fellow villagers. Though they did not know it, their music carried a special kind of magic. Every note they played and every song they sang filled the hearts of the listeners with joy. One day, Harmonia was hit by a terrible drought. The villagers were desolate and sad. Jake and Sophie decided to use their music to uplift their spirits. As the melodies flowed, a miracle happened. A gentle rain started to fall, washing away the despair. Through trial and error, Jake and Sophie discovered that their music had the power to influence the elements. As news spread, the inhabitants were overjoyed. Together, they decided to use this power to benefit Harmonia as well as the neighboring villages. So, Jake and Sophie embarked on an adventure, spreading their music, love, and joy. They faced many challenges, but their belief in the magic of music only strengthened with each step. The power of their music brought cheer, unity, and prosperity to everyone, making their adventure a memorable journey. The music magic adventure of Jake and Sophie was forever etched in history, reinforcing the belief that music is an unparalleled magic that can touch and mend hearts instantly. Until next time, help your children explore their heart's story. Download Tail Draw today. Available for all audiences on Google Play and Apple App Store.